How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. Appreciate you guys as always. Apologies I wasn't able to give you guys an update last night. Again, I decided to take a little bit of a breather. If you've pretty much been following my channel, you guys know your boy has been giving you guys pretty much daily updates, but sometimes it is good to take a break, and I continue to remind you guys to do the same. But anyhow, we're back on schedule. If you don't want to miss any of these updates, do smash that like button down below and hit that red subscribe button. But looking across the board, we are starting to see the market showing positive signs, especially bullish, strength. And as we know, over the course of the last, month, February was pretty much, quite a bearish month. Even, this month was, quite bearish, but you did see some, bullish announcements coming out, today specifically. And, of course, that has had a positive impact on the altcoin market. And if you're looking across the board, majority of the coins are up. Hbar up 1.8% with the valuation at about $8.2 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is picking up at about 210.8 million. Price currently sitting at 19.4 cents, up 2.1% in Bitcoin comparative. But before we get into any further, as always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So let's take a look at what's happening with the dominance index. So, we've pretty much been seeing the dominance, pretty much fluctuating. We actually saw the dominance going up to 61.8% just a few hours back, but it's finding itself back down to 61.47%, which again, obviously it's pulling down. I know a lot of people are going to be like, this is exciting, but, we need to look at it from a bigger perspective. We still are, really, not where you need it to be in order for us to see that, altcoin rally that a lot of people are anticipating. But the fact that, we are low, while, Bitcoin is going up is a good sign, because, Bitcoin ended up, breaking out. But again, of course, one thing I want you guys to keep in mind is we are seeing some bullish announcement. So that is something that, you need to factor in. But, BTC went up to $88,000 just a few hours ago. We actually did see that daily candle close happen for Monday at that 88K range, but we're seeing a little bit of a minor pullback. But, that exact same resistance that was coming, into our way at 86.7K mark is coming as a level of support right now. So it's, pretty much my overall take, as I've said to you guys before, the March 9th, where we did see this wick down to 76.7, we are still in this upward trajectory since then. So, so far so good. The fact that, we are still ranging in the 38.2, pretty much kind of, having this higher low, higher high pattern, forming on the hourly. So, as of now, not invalidated. I'm really liking what I'm seeing, and I still do believe, we could start heading towards the 23.6 fib zone. With that said, let's really analyze and take a look at what's happening with Hbar's price right now. So, Hbar, I read some comments, over the last, few days, people are saying, Hbar is, acting like a stable coin, which I understand, where people are coming from, but come on, guys, you don't want to be neglecting, what has happened for Hbar's price, in the bigger perspective. And again, I know a lot of people tend to forget that, so let me just give you guys a quick reminder. From November 3rd, we are still looking at Hbar being up 331%. And you won't believe how many people wish they could go back to these levels. And, we're still up 331% from that range. Of course, corrections happen. Of course, correlation to Bitcoin is going to happen. It's not going to be an exception. So, those are some things that you need to factor in. But as of now, the price still ranging within the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. If you're looking at it on the hourly time frame, here you have it, guys. We're ranging at this level. We did obviously retest at 18 cents, a few hours ago, but we obviously, due to Bitcoin bouncing and dominance pulling down, Hbar is no exception. It's making its way up towards the upside, but you can notice we have some resistance. Speaking about this resistance, this exact level where we're kind of having a little bit of a hard time breaking out of has pretty much played as a resistance for us over the last few weeks. I want you guys to take a look at it over the last few weeks. So this 20 cents is an important level to break out of. If it's able to do that, I do believe the 61.8 could be the next retest to be looking out for. But as of now, still, we have not retested the 15.5 cents. So I'm liking that, overall. And I do believe that, if we're able to break out of this key resistance, we could be making our way up to the 61.8, which of course would be quite nice to see. So as of now, pretty much consolidating pretty much for the whole month. And, that should also show you, the power it has around these zones. because the fact that, we have seen so much, volatility for the crypto markets, you still did not see Hbar lose this range and, retest, this 15.5 cents. So again, those are things that, we need to factor in. But let me know down below what you guys think. Love you all. Thank you for all your support. We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.